here for a specific reason, and that is to tie in to Dr. Gordon's vision on STEM. Ultimately, the goal will be to make elementary through high school a seamless transition. But the resources here today is our main goal is to provide those resources for teachers and educators and parents. And we have some students here today to let them know and to show them what the connectivity is for STEM education to support math, science, social studies, and English.
Partnership with STEM education and learning through hands-on curriculum is a key component to inspiring our next generation to go after these renewable energy programs and to see what's out there that get us away from fossil fuel dependency.
I love being here at the VCEC specifically because I love talking about how STEAM is important to all of the curriculum because it's going to be the future. You know, they say that 65% of the jobs that the kids today will have don't exist yet. And the best way that we can prepare that is to actually get them involved early.
Virginia Children Engineering Council is going to partner with Suffolk Public Schools, and we're going to make a seamless transition from elementary through high school and to prepare our students for jobs that do not exist today and make sure that they have access, because they are our story. That's our story, and it starts here today, here at Kingsville Middle School under the leadership of Dr. Gordon III.